Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to bring you a very quick juicing video. I was getting ready to do some juicing and I thought I would record it because this is a recipe that I use only during the winter time, and that's because during the winter we have cranberries. Okay, so I thought I would do a video showing you my recipe for the winter cold and flu season. For this recipe, I have several carrots. I have 2 bags of fresh cranberries and 3 apples. If I need more volume of juice, I will add more apples. Let's get started. It got stuck. So I'm just going to turn it off. Reverse. And then turn it back. Okay, everyone, there you have it. This is the juice. This made about 48 ounces. So this is 32 and 16 ounces. And yeah, I'm good to go. This is so good. It's tarty because of the cranberries, but you don't really taste too much of the carrot. The carrot gives a little sweetness, and then the apple just makes it smooth. So this is one of my favorite winter drinks to make. You can do the same thing with cranberry and pomegranate and apple. You can just do cranberries. You can do cranberries and beets with apple. Anything to help build your immune system and to fight off colds and flus. And if you do catch the cold or the flu, then this will help your body to fight it. This will help the cells of your body to fight any of those nasty little germs and viruses that we tend to get. Alrighty, well, like I said, I wanted to keep this short and sweet. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.